here's our question for today, which is worth 15 marks. In part A, we're told that Sophia is estimating the volume of a shed, and she thinks that the base of the shed is roughly a rectangle with a length of 40 meters and a width of 18 meters. We have to work out the area of this rectangle. So obviously the formula for calculating the area of a rectangle is equal to length times width. And in our case, this becomes 40 times 18, which is equal to 720 meters squared. And remember to always include the units or you might lose marks. Moving on to part B, we're told that Sophia thinks that the shed is roughly in the shape of a box with a length of 40 meters, a width of 18 meters, and a height of 14 meters. Now we need to calculate the volume of this box, since now we're given an extra dimension, which is its height. Again, this is pretty straightforward, as the volume of a box can be calculated as length times width times height, which in this case is simply 40 times 18 times 14, which is 10,080 meters cubed. Finally, in the last part, part C, we're given a diagram of what the actual shed will look like, and we're asked, based on the diagram, what do you think we need to do to the answer in part B to get a more accurate estimate of the volume of the shed? So this sounds like a complicated question, but it's actually really simple. From this diagram we can see that the actual shed is a bit smaller than a rectangular box with the same dimensions. So our answer for part C is to make our estimate of the volume of the shed a bit smaller. But we're not given enough information in the diagram to calculate the actual volume of the shed. So that's it for this question. I hope you guys found the solution video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again.